We'd like to take you on a culinary journey to a quaint kitchen in the heart of Venice, California.
Seed Kitchen has been serving their community
Since 2008,
owned and operated by husband and wife Eric and Sinai. They prepare organic, vegan, and macrobiotic foods. Their menu boasts a unique combination of cultural flavors from Quebec and Japan. All meals are handcrafted, cooked, and prepared to order. These handcrafted meals include the Southwest Burger,
Ancho chili spread,
fresh lettuce, vegan soy cheese, a bean and grain burger topped with guacamole, the Goddess Ramen noodles, fresh vegan noodles, red miso broth, broccoli, carrots, bean sprouts, and sesame seeds, and the Seed Chop Chop salad, fresh romaine, red cabbage, cucumber, carrots, tomatoes, marinated baked tempeh, roasted almonds, and Uma plum ranch dressing. In the same way that a seed provides the beginnings for a vibrant plant, the foods we eat provide the beginnings for a vibrant, flourishing life.